Hello, teacher. My name is Karen Daniela Mora Diaz. I am a student of psychology in the University UNAD. My group is 1002 and I am 25 years old. This is the video for this is history of my trip of Cali. Mm, I was with my family. I went with my family for 3 days. We had a great time. We almost always went out to eat in restaurants. We never ate ice cream, but we missed it. Sometimes we laughed a lot. It was fun. Um, the weather in Cali is uh, hot during today, but tonight it's cool. To talk a little about Cali, I want you to know Cali is beautiful and big, and Cali is in the city of the salsa, and Cali is a cozy city with many large and beautiful parks. For example, parks of the Cates. It's beautiful and big, and of parks of the dogs and cats. Um, it is a big, large, and beautiful. Thank you, teacher. Goodbye.